Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create a ChatGPT like app in which we will learn how to create the app, design the app and write the script for its proper functioning. So let's start our tutorial. Open the created app, go to library and main dot. I will delete this whole script and paste the new script. You can see that it is showing some problems. I will resolve it later. Now add a new file, chat screen dot. Paste the new script. It's also showing many problems. We will resolve them later. Add a new file, chat message dot. And paste the new script. Add a new file, 3 dots dot. Also paste the new script and go to pubspec.yaml. I will add some things to it by replacing the whole script. Go to chat screen. You can see that it's showing some problems. We have to resolve them. First save all the scripts and you can see that many of the problems have been solved, but it's showing some problems. Go to test dot and import ChatGPT main dot and remove it. Save it and you can see that all the problems have been solved. Remove these problems by ignoring them for whole file. Now all the problems have been solved and I will explain the scripts in a simple way. In main dot I have imported some packages and created class stateless widget. Then add a widget build context and add material app. Add the title for our app, ChatGPT app or anything else and add a theme data. Set the chat screen as home. Go to chat screen. Import some important packages. I also imported chat message dot and 3 dots shown in the library. Add class stateful widget and add final text editing controller and final list. Now add a stream subscription and set the bold typing false. Add a function init state and dispose and cancel the subscription. Then add a function send message and name the sender user, and you can change your name according to your need. Then set its state and set is typing true. Now add a controller clear and final request. Set prompt, model and maximum tokens to 200, and in subscription don't copy this API and use your own generated API. Then add a chat message and rename the sender bot. Set its state and set is typing false. Now add a widget, build text composer, add a row to it and add some children's expanded and icon button. To expanded, add text field and add hint text, send a message. In icon button, add icon for sending and select its size of whole row. Then add a widget build context and add return scaffold. Add abor and body safe area to it and add script to count our messages in the history. Set the item count to messages.length. It will count all our messages in the history. Then add a item builder and for our bot is typing, it will show us 3 dots separate by a divider of height 1. Then add a container and child build text composer. Complete request and ChatGPT classes have been created to solve our problems. Now in chat message dot, create stateless widget and add strings final, text and sender. Now add a widget build context and a row to it. Set cross-axis alignment to start and set its text, size, box, color and shape and the position of the text in the screen view. Now in 3 dots, import package material dot and add stateful widget. Add animation controller and set current index 0. Animation controller will control the dots shown on the screen when our bot is typing. Set its maximum current index to 3, minimum to 0. Add animation controller forward, which will work to move our dots in the forward direction. Now add a dispose animation controller and widget build context. Add animated builder and add a row. For proper alignment of the dots, Set main axis alignment to center. It will control our dots in the horizontal direction because we have selected main axis alignment. And add a children to list the number of dots. Select the number of dots to 3. You can also change the number of dots. Then also select the symbol, either dot or anything else, and add a text scale factor equal to 5. In pubspec.yml, I have added two new identities, ChatGPT SDK files and VelocityX. Now save all the scripts and run. You can see that it can work in both mobile and desktop view. And you can also see our ChatGPT simple app overview. 3 dots are running continuously in the forward direction, which shows that our bot is typing, but it is responding very slow. So let me explain some other things that might be helpful for you. You can change the name of the sender from user to Alexander or any other name as you want. So now Alexander is typing. You can also change the name of sender bot and also add the hint text from send a message to ask me anything. So our app is working properly. You can also manage other things. You can change the icon button. You can also change the text, size, color, shape or position of our chat message. In 3 dots, what we can change? We can change the number of dots from 3 to 7 or 1 to 3, as many as you want. So 7 dots have been created but running in only 3 dots. You have to change current index from 3 to 7 and it will work properly now. You can also change the symbol from dot to any symbol. Set it and save and check the result. So it also working properly. You can also change it to question mark, exclamatory marks or star hash and any other symbol. So now question mark is moving in the forward direction. I hope so you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you need any help and you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And you can also copy the scripts from GitHub, link given in the description. If you want to develop your apps by us, you can contact us on LinkedIn, Vector Labs FZE LLC. See you in the next video. Bye bye.